Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Shaoxing wine is probably one of the most iconic and versatile ingredients to emerge from Chinese culinary traditions, a golden elixir steeped in centuries of history and fermentation expertise, offering a complex flavor profile that can elevate a wide array of dishes from delicate steamed fish to robust braised meats, making it an indispensable pantry staple for any home cook looking to authentically recreate the nuanced tastes of Chinese cuisine. Number 5. Soeos Shaoxing Wine. Discover the rich umami flavor of this naturally brewed Shaoxing wine. It's the perfect addition to elevate your Asian recipes. Crafted through a natural brewing process, this wine offers a depth of flavor that is truly exceptional. Experience the difference quality ingredients make. Unlock a world of taste with its deep, savory umami notes. This ingredient is essential for authentic Asian cuisine. From stir-fries to braises and marinades, its versatility is unmatched. It's the secret ingredient you've been looking for. Bring the authentic taste of Asia to your kitchen. This cooking wine is designed to enhance all your favorite traditional dishes. This convenient 640 ml bottle ensures you have enough for multiple culinary adventures. Enjoy its premium quality in every drop. What we like? This one is naturally brewed for a rich umami flavor. It's perfect for a wide range of Asian recipes. If you're looking for an authentic taste in your stir-fries, braises, and marinades, this is a great choice. What people say. The wine has a rich, complex flavor profile with notes of caramel and nuts, making it perfect for braising meats and adding depth to stir-fries. Authentic Shaoxing wine with a smooth, mellow taste and a pleasant aroma. It's a versatile ingredient that elevates many Chinese dishes. This Shaoxing wine has a distinct, slightly sweet and savory taste that complements a wide range of cuisines, from traditional Chinese to fusion dishes. Number 4. Soeos Shaoxing Cooking Wine. Discover the rich umami flavor of authentic Shaoxing cooking wine. It's the perfect addition to elevate your everyday meals. This versatile wine is ideal for all your family cooking needs. From quick stir-fries to slow braises, it adds depth to every dish. Experience a truly rich umami flavor that will transform your cooking. It brings out the best in your ingredients. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables or braising meats, this cooking wine provides an unparalleled taste. It's a kitchen essential. Use it to create incredible marinades and homemade sauces. Its unique profile adds complexity and deliciousness. Our generous bulk size ensures you always have this essential ingredient on hand. Enjoy convenience and great value. What we like? This bulk size option is ideal for family cooking and frequent use. Its rich umami flavor enhances many dishes. If you cook for a crowd or go through a lot of cooking wine, this larger format offers great value and convenience. What people say. The wine has a rich, complex flavor profile with notes of caramel and nuts. It's a versatile ingredient that adds depth to a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to braised meats. The aroma is fragrant and inviting, enhancing the overall culinary experience. Number 3. NPG Shaoxing Cooking Wine 33.81 fluid ounces. Discover the rich, authentic flavor of Shaoxing rice wine. It's an essential ingredient for any Chinese kitchen. Elevate your stir-fry dishes with its unique aroma and taste. A little goes a long way to transform your meals. Use it to create deeply flavorful marinades for meats and vegetables. It tenderizes and adds a complex savory note. Achieve perfectly braised dishes with its traditional taste. It imparts a depth of flavor that is simply unmatched. This is the essential rice wine for authentic Chinese cooking. Bring the true taste of China to your home. Our generous 33.81 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty on hand for all your culinary adventures. Enjoy its versatility. What we like? This is an authentic Shaoxing cooking wine, essential for Chinese cuisine. It delivers a classic flavor profile for stir-fries, marinades, and braised dishes. If you are serious about authentic Chinese cooking and want a reliable staple, this is the one to get. What people say. This Shaoxing wine is a staple in Chinese cooking, perfect for marinades and stir-fries. The authentic flavor profile adds depth to dishes, making it a must-have for traditional recipes. Number 2. Shaoxing Golden Brand Rice Cooking Wine 750 milliliters. Discover the rich, authentic flavor of Shaoxing rice wine. Perfect for enhancing your favorite dishes. Crafted with tradition, our Golden Brand rice wine brings a touch of culinary excellence to your kitchen. Elevate your stir-fries, marinades, and braises with its unique aroma and taste. It's an essential ingredient for authentic Asian cuisine. This generous 750 milliliters bottle ensures you have enough to experiment with countless recipes. Enjoy its versatility and depth of flavor. Unlock the secret to delicious, restaurant-quality meals. Add this premium rice cooking wine to your pantry today. What we like. The Golden brand offers a classic Shaoxing taste in a convenient 750 milliliters bottle. It's a well-regarded option for everyday cooking. If you appreciate a traditional flavor in a standard size that's easy to handle, this is a solid pick. What people say. The Shaoxing wine has a rich, complex flavor profile with notes of caramel, nuts, and a hint of sweetness, making it a versatile ingredient in various Chinese dishes. This authentic Shaoxing wine is aged for a minimum of 3 years, contributing to its smooth texture and deep, aromatic qualities. The packaging is well sealed and protects the wine's integrity during shipping, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition for culinary use. Number 1. Qian Shaoxing Wine. Experience the true taste of traditional Chinese cooking. This authentic Shaoxing wine brings genuine flavor to your dishes. Crafted through a natural fermentation process, it offers a pure and rich taste. This ensures the highest quality for your culinary creations. Elevate your favorite Asian and Chinese recipes with this essential ingredient. It's perfect for marinades, stir-fries, and braising. Generously sized at 750 milliliters, this bottle provides ample cooking wine for all your needs. You'll have plenty to experiment with. Discover the difference that quality makes. Qian Shaoxing wine is your secret to delicious, authentic meals. What we like. Experience authentic traditional Shaoxing flavor with this naturally fermented brew. It provides a pure, nuanced taste perfect for Asian recipes. If you prioritize natural fermentation and a genuine, traditional Shaoxing profile in your cooking, this option will not disappoint. What people say. The aroma is rich and complex, with notes of caramel and toasted nuts. It has a smooth, mellow taste that lingers on the palate. The deep amber color is visually appealing and indicates a well-aged wine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.